The last 12 to 18 months has been fairly seismic in our kind of shift in terms of technology. So when we started, we were very much looking at a sort of collaborative environment, yes, and a bit of technology, but now we're looking at a completely different ballgame. On the face of it, we've got far more sophisticated technology around lead generation and business development. We are proactively supporting our recruiters with strategy around their business development, with engagement, with messaging, with lead generation, in order to really drive that kind of growth for the individual. On top of that, we have a much wider range of benefits associated with our partnerships. So the fact that we can now do job posts through LinkedIn, which makes a huge difference to the cost benefit and cost risk for an independent recruiter. And of course, a lot of our processes are far more streamlined. So when we used to set up new users, often we had to deal with things quite manually. Now, actually, the onboarding process is incredibly quick. Our turnaround time, for example, at its fastest from signing up to first client meeting was less than 36 hours. And that is something that's becoming more and more common. So the implementation of new technology has been, as I say, fairly dramatic in the last couple of years. On top of that, our team has grown. So the amount of support and specific expertise around sales, business development, account management, client relationships, placements, etc., has grown infinitely. And the team is very experienced. They all come from a high level of previous experience and therefore are very able to support, not just on a technical side, but also on a strategic and operational side when considering the current market conditions.